In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add favicon on Squarespace. A favicon is the tiny icon that appears in your browser tab, bookmarks, and shortcuts. It's a small touch that makes your site look polished and helps visitors recognize your brand at a glance. Before we start, have a simple square image ready, ideally a PNG with a transparent background. Aim for at least 32 by 32 pixels, but a larger square, like 256 or 512 pixels, will look crisper on high-resolution screens. Avoid thin lines and tiny text. Bold, high-contrast shapes work best at small sizes. First, open your Squarespace dashboard for the site you want to update. In the bottom left corner, click Settings. This opens the main settings panel where you manage things like site language, domains, and website details. We're heading into the area that controls your site's global appearance in the browser. Inside Settings, go to the Website section, then choose Favicon. This is where Squarespace stores your site's browser icon. If you don't see an icon yet, that's normal. You're about to add one. You'll notice a preview area that will later show how your favicon appears in tabs and bookmarks. Next, click Add a Favicon. A file picker will open so you can upload your image. Select your prepared square PNG or another supported image type and let Squarespace process it. If you're prompted to crop, keep the design centered and leave a bit of padding around the edges so nothing gets clipped at small sizes. Once the upload finishes, you'll see a preview in the panel. That indicates the file is in play and associated with your site. After you've added the favicon, it can take a few minutes to appear in your browser tab. Browsers cache favicons aggressively, so if you don't see the change right away, try refreshing your site, opening it in a new tab, or checking in a private window. On mobile devices and some desktop browsers, the update may take a little longer to propagate. If the icon looks blurry or muddy, replace it with a higher resolution square. 512 by 512 pixels is a safe bet, and simplify the artwork if needed. Solid fills, clear shapes, and strong contrast translate best at tiny sizes. That's it. You clicked Settings, opened the favicon area in Website Settings, and added your icon. With those changes in place, your site will have a consistent, professional identity across tabs and bookmarks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your polished new browser icon.